Bonatti's 146 considerations. Consideration number 3. The third is to consider how many ways planets operate upon inferior bodies according to the diverse qualities of their motion, there being 16 different ways of such their operations and effects in all things that are either wholly or in part perfected or destroyed. Bonatti explains that from his observations and the texts he has studied, there are 16 distinct ways that planets affect inferior bodies as they revolve around the sun. Inferior bodies may be other planets, but they are also us. We are inferior bodies. They are our bodies, the societies we build, the things humanity makes from emptiness and formlessness into things that endure or fall apart. They are the buildings we construct, and everything that comes into and goes out of existence in a shorter time frame with an infinitesimally small mass compared to the planets, stars, and moons. This means they are our cats, our dogs, our cars, our jobs, our religions, our spirituality, our nations, our friends, our family. They are our religions. They are also our experiences in life, whether good or bad. They are everything. Our bodies are subject to degeneration, to the breakings of bones, and to sicknesses, and all of these are ruled by the planets, according to Bonatti. In this way, they are also subject to the degeneration and the generation that the planets and stars and moons imply. So in this way, it is important to study what the planets are doing through the art of astrology, to learn about the generation and degeneration of things, and how these are indicated by the aspects, whether good or bad, that occur through the motion of the planets, the stars, and the moons. This is not an inference to what we might call our souls, but rather the container of our souls, made of matter, the experience of our souls that occur within matter. Matter is always going in and out of existence. It is an impermanent phenomena. Bodies are born and bodies die. Likewise, emotions and thoughts have chemical components, are born and die within the contents of our soul's experience. And this is ruled by the planets, the sun, the moon, the stars, because we identify with our bodies, our emotions, and our thoughts. And if we identify them, we are subject to the 16 ways planets act upon these things by their interrelationship with others, with each other. If we learn to identify with the part of our awareness that is not subject to planetary influence, then we transcend astrology. Until then, we are going to experience effects in our lives, and we'll be subject to our astrology charts, the transits and the time lords, and the way that these are affected by the 16 ways in which the planets gaze upon one another, which we will go over in the next consideration of Bonatti.